Hello and welcome. This is Roy. Things are heating up both in the FX market and in the stock market. I think it's going to become very interesting in the coming several weeks. I have picked two clips from a long video I've just recorded, 64 minutes video. One is focusing on the forex per the US dollar, Singapore dollar, and the other one on the VIX to give us an idea how investors are faring and positioned right now vis-a-vis the market. If you're interested to have further information about my service, please stay on after the clips end, then I'll talk to you again. Other than that, I wish you have a great weekend and good trading. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. This past week we have seen panic gripping the forex market, led by a collapse in the euro. The euro broke through several major support levels and did not look back. I'm afraid more is likely coming in the weeks to come. The debt situation in Europe is spiraling out of control by the day. The market is putting 90% chance that the Greeks are not going to be able to honor the debt. That is the last reading. With yield soaring on Greek debt. I see the stock markets heading a lot lower and pretty soon, and led by the European markets. I have prepared a long list of charts, and here's the list. I've got the dollar index, the euro US dollar, Australian dollar US dollar, British pound US dollar, euro British pound, US dollar Swiss franc, US dollar Canadian dollar, US dollar Singapore dollar, US dollar Czech koruna, US dollar Polish zloty, and I've got then the bonds, the euro buxel, long yields, VIX, spot gold, high grade copper, light crude, Canadian Energy Index, the TSX, SPX, OX, VIX, DAX, Italy's MIB, and I'll terminate the video with a look at the FTSE of the UK, the cash index. The US dollar, Singapore dollar, that's the monthly scale going back to 1990. Now this is a firm 1-2, okay? Firm 1-2. What we've got here is a pause and a turn. A turn up in the monthly scale. Now basically we have two options as far as I can see here. We have either a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 done right here. The 1 actually ended here and not here, in which case the US dollar has a fighting chance to have a massive rally back towards 155 around here. I don't think that it's going to go to 185. No, I don't think this is going to happen. I could be wrong. But I'm pretty firm in my opinion. This is a 1-2. This is too much of a damage, too much looking like a third wave, part of a third wave, to send the dollar back to 185. Even if it's 3 or 5 years from now, Singapore is not going to sink. The economic activity in Asia is still on balance much more healthy than what's going on in the US and in the US. So US and Europe. So I think that at most we had here bottom of the 1, and then we have a rally towards 155, which would be a huge achievement for the US dollar. However, the other option, as you can see, is fairly clear. We had the 1 ending here, that's 2, and what we've got now is just 1 of the third. Okay, let's have a look at here's the wave count I'm using. We have multiple diversion here on the weekly scale. The dollar wants to go higher. We got a breakout here, not only on the MACD. This is really important, pay attention. We got a MACD breakout here, something that hasn't happened for so many months. Look carefully here. This is a serious breakout here on a multiple diversion basis, do you see? And we got a breakout also above the descending, let me show you here, the descending line here. You can see it's clear breakout, firm close. I think we're onto something, and this is the wave count I'm using for it. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I'm wrong and the US dollar is not going to hold ground so well, but the MACD says it's unlikely, it is going to hold ground, it is going to rally a long time, because something that comes up of a monthly scale on such diversion and breakout is not something that's going to turn around within a week. I don't think so. I think it is projecting a run for weeks. So the run is going to take it higher than my other option of a 1, 2, 3. Do you see? If it runs above 130, the 1, 2, 3 is dead, and I think we should work with the idea that all of that is a complete leg, and then we have to see. It stays under 135. Let me show you again. 1, 2, 1, or this is 1. Okay, in which case it will climb easily above 135, 140, continue higher towards 155. If it stalls around 135, 140, goes up and down, then we're probably talking about a 1, 2, 1. That's the VIX. That's the VIX on a weekly scale. I want to show you first of all the MACD has been silently here pushing up and up and up, and I think we're getting a breakthrough here. Do you see the bullish flag? Some would call it bullish flag, and I can actually call it a fourth wave, with this being 1, 2, 3, 4. You see the consolidation here, but you see what happened actually in the MACD. The MACD was saying, don't believe the consolidation, this is a pause for going higher. That's what the MACD is telling me from here. And if that is the case, we have here resistance just under 50. And you can imagine what I think. If the resistance here is not going to hold, and this pointing higher, we are going to shoot to 60, 70, possibly even to 80. So that is the situation with the VIX. Very important. The daily had gone through the pause here, you can see, and it turned up on Friday. That's the jump. It is possible that it's done. That's an A, B, C, D, E, or some other combination. But if it is done, we're going to see a jump above 42 around here and start climbing towards the 50 area. Welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but from time to time I do make some comments. I've got 3 articles here that I've written. You may like to take a look. Here's testimonial submitted by an active trader that is using my service. There are more testimonials right here. I have an affiliate program. You are most welcome to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. Links to my videos speaks for itself, but I do have a new YouTube channel that actually covers the recent videos. I haven't had a chance to actually update that, and it also includes a video explaining about a weekend product. So if you are searching for that new YouTube channel, please type EW Practitioner, EW Practitioner in one word when you go on YouTube, and that takes you to the channel and you will see all the videos. RN Elliott, that's a section where you can download a full-scale book. I suggest you do that if you're interested seriously in learning about the wave principle. That is an excellent first step. Private policy, terms of use, these are standard categories. Why join? Read that to see in which ways I think I can help traders at different levels. Subscribe here. That's where you take practical steps to subscribe to my service. I have 3 ways in which you can use my service. You can either take an introductory offer, which is just 1 week. It is a one-off, meaning you can't use it repeatedly. You can use it one time. It's only $9.99. It gives you access for 7 videos. Today's video, plus the chart, plus every single video that I'll record in the coming week, and the charts. And after 1 week, you make up your mind. You want to continue. You use the other any of the other options. The second option is a weekend product where I allow you to access the weekend videos plus the charts, and that is priced substantially below the normal product, which is really directed at very intensive traders, people who can watch the market every day and can make use, can actually digest all that information that is being churned by the market every single day. And the third product is the full product that costs €79 only. per month. That gives you access to a lot of information, a lot of setups that I run through every single day, and basically keeps you really in fully informed about the many various markets that I cover. I'm also open to some suggestions. If you come on board on the full product or any other products, please feel free to ask me if there is a specific market that you like me to cover. I can't promise that I'll cover it every day. I'll do my best to cover it from time to time, or at least have a good look at it. That's contact us if you have any problem whatsoever. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help. Tell a friend. Spread the word. By all means, I would appreciate a helping hand. Downloads. That way you can download charts that I put on in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do. Recommended reading list. Go ahead. They are fairly. It's not as extensive as I would have wished to put here. I just don't have enough time to update it. I have many more books that I would like to put. I need more time to go through that, but there are quite a lot of books here, and also some links to download the full-scale books. So go ahead and take a look. Frequently asked questions, that's where you really have to come back to this. If you decided to subscribe, that will help you to find where to find past videos, past charts, etc. Useful links, speaks for itself, and that's about it. So I hope to hear from you, hope to see you on my website, exploring a bit what's going on, and get in touch with me. The slightest question you have, whatever crosses your mind, I'll be glad to help. Wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now.